Hello, USHS students. I'm hoping everybody is staying at home and staying safe during this time. But a problem that you might be coming across either now or in the near future is your teachers are asking you to submit stuff to Schoology. How in the world are you supposed to do that? Well, what you see on the screen right now is my phone. What you're going to need to do is install the Schoology app. So this is going to be cross-platform, whether you have an iPhone like you're looking at right now, or if you have a Android phone, you can go ahead and download the Schoology app. It's free. So I'm going to download mine. Now, keep in mind, this does not have to be, on a Wi-Fi network. You don't have to have internet at home. You just need internet access. That's it. So if you got cellular data and you're going to do this real quick, it's not going to do a whole lot of usage on your data. What we'll need is to find the school. So we go Upper Sandusky High School. So we won't even have to type in the whole thing. So you got Upper Sandusky High School right at the top. We'll click this. Do not click the login using Schoology.com. That's not going to be the right thing. We want login through your school. So we're going to log in through the school, and you're going to need to type in your email address. Okay, so I'm using my son's as an example. We'll click next. It's going to ask you to put in your password. You provide that, and we are now in. You do have to approve that Schoology is going to have access to this app. You can choose whether you want to allow or not allow notifications, but if we're having to go to this online learning right now during this time frame, I would almost suggest that you click allow, so that way if anything comes up, you get notified right away. So to submit an assignment, a teacher's giving you an assignment. How in the world are you supposed to submit something that is like a drawing? How am I supposed to do that? Well, Miss Niedercore, she created an assignment here for us. Is homework 9-1 resubmission. So if you're in Miss Niedercore's class and you have to submit something, we're going to go in, click the assignment. Now, you're going to submit this. So we're going to click submissions, and you're going to notice in the upper right corner there's a plus icon. You click plus. Now there's different ways that you can submit this. All right, you can create a submission and then you can write in the information. You can do an audio recording, but for this purpose we're taking a picture. So I'm going to click submit photo. All right, you do have to allow access. I'm going to say yes. Now we can do one of two things. If you've now already taken your pictures and you have this paper written assignment that you want to submit, what do? All right, lower left-hand corner, there's a little camera icon. You select whatever quality you're going to have. Again, it's going to ask you for permission to access your camera. You say okay. And right now, I have my paper. You can see if it's a graphing assignment, it's going to be kind of hard to type something out that you have to draw. So you take a picture. Now, we're going to use that photo. Now, this is just a single submission. I'll click the little check mark, and it's going to upload that picture. Now, you might be saying, well, what happens if I have more than one picture that I have to upload? Well, we could go through and click every single one of them that same way, or as soon as this is done uploading, I'm going to show you a real fast way to just grab them all and throw them up online. Okay. Okay, and we're back, and you can see right here, just down at the very bottom, you see the image .png. That's the picture that you just sent up. Now let's say that you have 3 pages that you need to submit, not just one. You have 3. Well, what you do is from your camera, you take our picture of each page. Now you'd have this on a piece of paper, but we'll take a picture of every page of the assignment. Okay, So I have my 3 photos of my assignment. I'm going to pop back into my Schoology account. And yes, you've already sent up 1 revision. It's okay. We can submit 2, 3, 4, or however many you want. You click the plus icon, submit photo, and now inside of the recents, we click the pictures that you want to have submitted. Yellow or green check mark. Click the check mark 1 more time, and it's going to upload all of those into the Schoology submission area. So while those are uploading, I want to show you another way if you're on a desktop. How do you submit something if you're on a desktop? Well, again, we go to the class. We have Miss Niederkor's pre-calculus class. I'm going to click homework, resubmission. And you can see right here the 2 things that were just submitted off of the phone. But let's say you want to submit it off of your computer. All right, we click resubmit assignment. And while that's loading, you go to the file. We're going to grab a picture, or this is a PDF. It could be a picture. It could be any file that you want to add on to this. I'm going to click choose and then submit. Okay, so I have all 3 submissions that are inside of here. You can click them to see if it's actually been uploaded properly. So from right here, it's loading, and now I verified that all of my material is up here. Okay. One thing I will note is if your teacher comes in and they make some, let's say some suggestions. They say, hey, you need a revision on this. So if I'm in Miss Niederkor's class and this first picture that you submitted, if Miss Niederkor says that one of these questions is wrong, she might come in here, might circle this up, and that's going to make a comment. She can put a comment in here that says, hey, you need to go back and look at this. Okay, we'll close this out and we'll see how it looks like on your side of things. So I'm going to get back in here, and now what you'll see is that this would be like Miss Niederkor making a comment that says, hey, this answer right here is wrong. You need to make a second revision. But in a nutshell, that's how you're going to submit your assignments. If they are pictures, if you're trying to submit a picture document, a PDF, a video, whatever the teacher is asking for, that's how you do it right there. Okay. Now, if you have questions, I went over it kind of quick. Please get a hold of either your teacher or shoot me an email and I'll help you out with it. Okay? Until the time that the governor says it's all good to come back, I hope everybody stays safe and listens to the directions. Okay? Take care.